Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am doing an Oreo ice cream cake. I am putting some Oreos into a bag and I'm just going to smash that up. I am leaving it a bit chunky because I am going to be throwing this into the ice cream. I'm using regular vanilla ice cream for this. Now I did leave my ice cream out so it was a little bit soft, just so that it would be easier for me to mix in my Oreo crumbs. Once that's all mixed up, I can start on the cake. I am using an 8-inch cake. This is my chocolate cake recipe, also found on my YouTube channel. And I'm just putting a whole bunch of ice cream on top of my cake. I am pressing down on the ice cream just so that I don't get any air pockets in between the ice cream and the cake. And once that's all nice and compact, I just go over it with my spatula to smooth it out. And I decided to put Oreos on top of my ice cream cake as well also, and just for the extra crunch on top of my cake. My Oreos are flush with my cake, and this is so when I go back and frost it with my whipped cream, it has a nice even edge. I am using saran wrap to cover the top of my cake. It's best to leave it in there overnight. And here I am just taking some Oreo cookies. I am cutting that in half with a serrated knife. And this will just go on top of my cake for decorations. And onto the ganache. I am using milk chocolate chips along with heavy whipping cream. I place that in the microwave for about a minute. And then I'm just stirring until it becomes nice and smooth. Whipped cream. I am using heavy whipping cream. This is about 3 cups. With 1 cup of powdered sugar and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I did stop to add more Oreo crumbs to my heavy whipping cream. You want to make sure that you don't over whip it, but you want it to have a nice thick consistency. Now I did already take my cake out from the pan and I have it on a cake board. And I'm just going over my cake with the whipped cream that I just made. And again, it's easier when you have the ice cream cake in the freezer for at least 24 hours. That way it does not melt on you or fall apart. Okay, so I'm just finishing off smoothing my cake so that I can start with my chocolate ganache. And here I have my ganache in a regular piping bag. You want to make sure that your ganache is not too hot so that it does not melt your cake. And I am using a 1M tip. I started off with the 1M tip, but then I had forgotten that my chunks of Oreos was a little bit big, so I was having issues piping it. So I actually switched it to the 6B tip instead. And I'm just finishing off with the Oreos on top. And this is it, guys. This is what my Oreo ice cream cake looks like. Hopefully you guys like my video today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you all in my next one. Thanks for watching.